Welcome to Box Breakers, celebrating our 11th year on eBay. Today's break's number 864. We're opening two boxes of Panini Select 13-14 Hockey. Our last winning bid was for the Winnipeg Jets, and it ended June 29th at 7:29 p.m. And whoops, according to DiamondDate.com, it is currently 10:30 a.m. Tuesday, June 30th. That's Eastern Time, local time, Toronto, Ontario. Our first box number is 206, 432, 483. Second box number is 206, 431, 131. We've got 6 cards per pack, 12 pack per box, total of 2 boxes to open. First box, Select 13-14 Hockey. We've got 2 mini box and an empty box. First mini box, empty. 2, 4, 6. Second mini box, empty. 2, 4, 6. First pack, over a 2-box break. A lot of glare in these cards. I'll try to do my best to light some lighting around, but if you keep them low like that, we'll be okay. Yeah, honored selection. Brett Hull for Blues. We've got a Prism. Ryan Callahan for Rangers. Prism Parallel. Next pack. That's that one. Rookie Andres Schuster for Tampa Bay. Eddie Pasquale for Winnipeg out of 399. Rookie autograph card. Steve Mason for Flyers. Prism Parallel. Mikhail Grigorenko, Select Future Rookie for Sabres. Another rookie, Ben Hanowski for Calgary. Oh, wow, we got something special here. Oh, Brendan Gallagher out of 25. Oh, this is beautiful. This is rookie auto jersey out of 25. What a nice hit from Montreal. That's a beautiful card. Select Stars. Beautiful. Nice hit for Abs. Okay, first mini box down. Let me do a little cleanup. Like it clean and on screen. Oh, find more of these. First pack. Or a second mini box. Well, Too Shore, Rookie Fire on Ice for Panthers. And Mikko Koivu for Wild Prisma Parallel. Rookie Jean-Gabriel Pageau for Senators. Eric Greiba for Senators out of 399 rookie auto. Max Pacioretty, Montreal Prisma Parallel. Freezers, Corey Schneider, Vancouver. And Chad Brodell for Sabres rookie. And down to our last pack of our first box. Tyler Johnson for Tampa Bay, rookie auto, Youth Explosion. And that's our first box. Okay, clean up. Second box. So to mention, we've got 7 box breaks ending tonight between 7:30 and 10:30 p.m. We've got some Crown Royale, some limited 12-13 4-box. We got a rookie anthology 4-box, some artifact 14-15, some titanium 11-12, 1 empty box, 2 mini box. Also some Upper Deck Ultimate memorabilia and a Ultimate collection from Upper Deck. So more than 16-18 boxes tonight on Box Breakers, your one-stop shop for box breaks. Okay, we got our 2 mini box. 1 empty. 2, 4, 6. Second mini box. Empty. 2, 4, 6. First pack of our second box. Steve Oleski, rookie for Washington. Ty McGuinn for Flyers out of 99, rookie auto for Flyers. Chris Letang for Pittsburgh Prisma Parallel. Oliver Ekman-Larsson, cornerstone card for Coyotes. Rookie Jason Eckison for Flyers. Travis Turnbull out of 25, card number 13. Signature card, short print for Sabres. Sam Gagner, Fire on Ice for Oilers. And a Brook Leach for Washington Prisma Parallel. Daniel Bang, rookie for Predators. Darcy Kuemper for Wilds out of 399, rookie auto. Shane Doan, Prism Parallel for Coyotes. Double strike. Ryan Kessler for Vancouver. Matthew O'Connor, rookie for Flyers. Oh, this one's out of 15. Wow. 7 of 15. Bobby Ryan for Senators. Wow, this is a patch. Auto patch. Select Stars. Senators in front and back logo. Nice hit for Ottawa. Last pack of our 2-box break. Tom Wilson, rookie Fire on Ice for Washington, and Bobby Ryan, Senators, Prism Parallel card. So that's our 2-box. Okay, clean up. Let's do a quick recap of our hits. Just get adjustment here. Well, to see. Here we go. Beautiful patch and auto out of 15. Ottawa. Rookie for Flyers. Rookie auto for Wilds. Rookie for Predators. Signature card short print for Sabres. Rookie for Flyers. Rookie auto for Flyers. Rookie for Washington. We got a rookie auto, Tyler Johnson, Tampa Bay. Rookie for Sabres. Rookie auto for Ottawa. Rookie for Ottawa. Rookie for Panthers. Beautiful, beautiful. Rookie auto jersey out of 25. Brendan Gallagher from Montreal, sorry. 14 of 25. Rookie for Calgary. Rookie for Sabres. Rookie auto for Winnipeg. Rookie for Tampa. And honored selection for Hall for Blues. That concludes our break number 864. 2-box of Panini Select 1314. Be sure to check out the box breaks tonight between 7:30 and 10:30 p.m. My name is Joe. We thank you all from Box Breakers, your one-stop shop for box breaks.